first 10 TPD plastic waste to fuel पेंडिंग आशिल्ले खूप दीस आता तुवें ते आमी ते चालू करपाचे आनी तांकां आपूण हाडून सांगला की फुडल्या म्हयन्यान ऑक्टोबर 30 तारखे पयलीं ते चालू जावंक जाय Pernem project. I have called them, told them what I have to tell them, and I also am sending the secretary is already discussed with me. We are also ensuring that this starts. There's a bigger plant coming up in Varanasi, one is coming in Lucknow, but this will be very useful if it functions, works very well. So I'll just leave picture where we'll be having about 100 collection points at different places. So it will be useful for us. If this works, it will be very good for us that we are able to.
Challenge is for continuous supply. That's the challenge.
No challenge is there, but see this
stops working and to restart it is.
No challenges are no challenges are there only. But I think there's enough this thing available. So let him. This was actually initiated earlier. I think this is project is pretty interesting.
Very old.
So it had to commission. No, our money is involved there. So we had to get it commissioned. So I've given them time till 30th, before 30th October to start it. This was actually taken at Tuem. Then they had apparently suggested that we will have one more in South. But I said first you start your production, we'll observe it for a year and then we'll decide about other places.